Hello everyone. We're out on the fells by Loweswater today. To be honest, we didn't plan to do a wild folk session today, and we don't have an instrument with us. But we always have our little camera and microphone to hand when we're out in nature, as you never know what you might come across. The day started murky and grim, so we just expected a mundane dog walk. Not that there is anything at all wrong with that, as we love to be out in all weathers, all times of day, and in all seasons. But then these beautiful shafts of light broke the clouds above Mooresdale over there, and of course we started filming. So today's Wild Folk is just a short one, with some thoughts on wild places and maybe a bit of kulning. We're normally bombarded with stimuli from all sides. So on a day like this, it's so refreshing for our reality to be broken down into only immediate things. The two pervading elements of the day were silence and light. The light was ever-changing, shifting, producing bright shafts, sometimes rainbows, sometimes deep gloom and showers. It seemed to represent the passing of deep time in the mountains in miniature. Months and years are milliseconds in the lifespan of a mountain. Our societies come and go around them, as they stand unchanging. It's humbling and puts things into perspective. Going into the mountains and sitting for a long time and watching the light change. And silence. You only realise how you've missed it when you stumble across it again. There's nothing quite like true mountain silence, above even the gurgling of streams, the wind in the trees and dogs barking in the valley below. These fells are only low and grassy, but their softness somehow seems to absorb the sounds of the world below. We sat for what felt like eons on the top, hearing only the low swoosh of the breeze in the grass. Silence is a gift that we only break very intentionally and for a short time in places like this. It's a nice feeling to merge the voice with this environment and hear how the space reacts to it and let the notes carry across the valley on the wind, and then back to silence, unbroken.